Hey everybody, Fred Bernardo, the smoking guitar player here. Today we're going to replace a gasket. Hey folks, we're here to put a new gasket on a ceramic grill. We've got a medium big green egg, and this is our experimental project. We cleaned the top thoroughly and put a 1/4 inch gasket on because this egg has a very high gap here no matter what I do. I put a double thick gasket on, which is something that I can get for you folks if anybody needs one. We don't currently have it on our website, but we might in the future. Anyway, double thick gasket, no gasket on the bottom. I thought maybe that would work, but it still doesn't seal in the back. So I'm going to use the special adjustment tool to adjust. Now these are a little hard to find, but I think you can probably find one if you need to try and adjust down the bottom rim. We're going to try it this way first. It's the special socket wrench set, and you can insert the ethnic choice you want in the front. I got some movement out of this, folks. The problem is when I tighten down the band, it's still tight. I didn't loosen it. Let's see how tight it is. You know, it isn't all that tight. Okay. I'm going to tighten it. As I'm using the special adjustment tool, notice how I use both my hands at the same time. You know, what do they say about Italians and chewing gum? I'm using the adjustment tool and the wrench at the same time. Oh, marvel at it. You know, it's still not that tight, believe it or not. Oh. Try not to round off the nut. You can help it. It's a 1/2 inch wrench. Okay. Our dollar bill donor left and took his dollar bill with him, but luckily I have one of my own. Okay, now, it's going to be hard cooking sausage with no gasket. And guess what, folks? Still a sloppy fit. Oh, sloppy, sloppy. There, it's tight. So what I'm going to do, I'm now going to proceed to clean all the goo off the bottom, which is a job I hate. And then I'm going to put a regular gasket on the bottom. Hi folks, so smoking guitar player back here working on a medium big green egg. Putting a new gasket on a ceramic grill is basically today's video. And we're experimenting a little bit. We put an extra thick, double thick gasket on the top, which is a gasket that I source out myself from the manufacturer. Not current. Typically the gasket is 1/8 of an inch. On a big green egg we used a 1/4 inch one because this egg, no matter what I did, always had a gap in the back here near the hinge area. So, even with this, we still have a gap. I was going to experiment with just one gasket on the top surface, but it didn't work out, so I'm going to put a normal 1/8 of an inch thick gasket here on the bottom. Now, I'm at the Jersey Shore at my vacation house, and I only had large gaskets with me, large gasket material, which is 1 inch across, but a medium big green egg and a small big green egg and a mini are 3/4 of an inch. So I just went along with the scissors and trimmed off the outside edge, and that'll work out fine. Now another thing we should note is on the top I put the seam here on the right hand side. I would think it's probably a good idea not to make the bottom seam match, or you'd have a little, you know, an extra place for hot gases to travel out. So I'm going to start over here on the bottom. Again, we're going to stay about a 1/16 of an inch off. Now I had to touch right here. You see this with my finger? I'm going to cut that piece off when I come back around, because I do not want my finger grease on there, because these gaskets come off so easy when they're new. And I'm also trying to make little gathers there. I'm actually compressing. I'm not stretching. Because definitely stretching is bad. I've learned my lesson. I've stretched my first one and it popped off. As soon as the egg got hot, it just went and pulled itself in. Evidently the wool shrinks a little when it gets hot. Okay, now this is better. Okay, halfway around and making these little gathers. Cameraman changed angle here to get a better camera person. Changed angles. But you can see what I'm doing. I'm sticking it with my thumbs and I'm compressing it this way, squishing it against itself, trying not to touch the glue. I hope I didn't cut that too short or I will be upset. Okay, there we go. No, it's going to be perfect. This is what we like. Trying not to touch the glue, but making those little gathers. The opposite of stretching. The opposite of stretching. Bending it around to fit the egg. It's a straight gasket going on a round egg. So we're bending it, making little gathers if we have to. Staying away from the inside edge, because the flames will lick it and burn it. Okay, coming up on the home stretch, coming down to the bell. Here they come, ladies and gentlemen. Place your bets. I made a little gather there, which I like. I'm liking those little gathers. Now, you may say, what are you going to do when this is done? Well, we all know what we're going to do. I'm going to do the dollar bill test. And we just use a regular dollar bill. We don't need 100 or anything like that. We're not in the 80s anymore. Okay. Now, we've come to the seam. That is really stuck good, and I'm going to stay with it. Okay? So I'm going to try and cut this just a little bit long and force it in there. Now, push all the little gathers down. There's a couple spots on the top where it's looking a little funny. I'm going to play with that. And that looks really, really just super fine. Super fine. So I'm going to close the egg. I'll guarantee you no dollar bill is going to slip through there now, but I am going to get a dollar bill out, the same one, the very same dollar bill. So we're going to start back here. And now we have friction, which we did not have before. Ah, friction. Ah, baby. Over here. Ooh, can't even pull it out. Interesting to note, it's still a little looser back there. Here it's going to be very tight. Oh, not too tight here. So, the sealing surfaces are not machined on this particular model, the Big Green Egg. The grill dome is machined, and you get a much easier seal. That being the case, maybe someday we'll show you one of those. But that's it for today. So we'll see you later. Signing off. Time to fire up the Big Green Egg and start cooking.